My education, qualifications and skills. A virtual presentation. M. Sumer Kaleem, computer software engineer, freelancer, digital content producer, SEO manager, blogger, affiliate marketer. Karachi, 74700, Sindh, Pakistan. Email, smirkalam1@gmail.com, WhatsApp, +92 333 229 3499. I am a computer software engineer from West South Asia, having 3 years of diploma from Aptech Computer Education and a bachelor's in computer sciences from Dadabhoy Institute of Higher Education. Else I have completed my other computers hardware and networks diploma, A+ DOS Windows Service Technician, some Adobe, and Macromedia Graphics certifications, and an advanced SEO manager. I am having 10 years of experience in accounts, sales, and administration. Anyhow, I could manage junior front-end development, WordPress development, Google SEO, and inbound marketing for your clients and for your organization. I am a disabled manager and a bachelor's in computer sciences. I am a software engineer with an international diploma and completed many local certifications in computer software for CMS, graphics and search engine optimization, SEO. I am a freelancer for computer software engineering and the internet industry. Likewise, I am an internet marketer and a blogger plus affiliate marketer. Furthermore, I am a digital systems analyst. Work experience, probation officer, Links Express Courier Private Limited, Karachi 1998 to 1998. Administration, I've managed and delivered the courier business. Retail Sales Associate, Combined Cellular Phones and Connections. Pactel, Instaphone, Mobilink and Ufone. Karachi, March 2002 to October 2002. Administration, Sales and Purchase of Cellular Phones and Connections. Team Manager, KAMYCO Distribution Private Limited. Karachi, January 2000 to July 2003. Administration, Sales of Fast-Moving Consumer Goods, Milkflow, Halid Tetra Pak, Sufi Ghee and Soap, Hilal Foods, etc. Store Administrator, Sumer & Co Distribution Private Limited. Karachi, April 2002 to July 2007. Administration, Sales of Fast-Moving Consumer Goods, Dairy Queen Tetra Milk Pack, etc. Management Trainee and the Web Designer plus Developer, Oxygen TV Private Limited. Karachi, August 2010 to May 2012. Web Designer and a Developer, Media Broadcasting, Accounts, etc. Web Designer plus Developer, Operational Internship, Johar Software House Private Limited. Karachi, April 2018 to June 2018. Software Sales, ERP, POS, etc. Computer Software Engineer, IT Manager, Advanced SEO Manager, Sadakat Clinic Private Limited. Karachi, April 2019 to November 2020. IT Administration, Internet Marketing, Web Design and Development plus Advanced SEO for Healthcare Industry. WordPress Design and Developer plus Advanced SEO Manager, Probation Internship, Creative Camp Private Limited. Karachi, January 2021 to January 2021. Web Design and Development. Education, Middle School in Primary School, St. Patrick's High School. Karachi, August 1988 to July 1993. Certification, Secondary School Certification Examination, SSCE, Matriculation, Board of Secondary Education, St. Jude's High School. Karachi, August 1994 to July 1997. Certification, Computer Hardware, A+ DOS, Windows Service Technician Certification, Tech Education Foundation. Karachi, April 2000 to June 2000. Certification, Higher Secondary Certificate HSC, Part 1 and 2, Private, Commerce Board of Intermediate Education. Karachi, April 2001 to May 2003. Certification 4. 5 band score, listening, reading, writing and speaking, International English Language Testing System. Karachi, September 2008 to September 2008. Aptech Certified Computer Professional, Advanced Diploma Software Engineering, ACCP, ADSE, Computer Software Engineering Aptech Limited, ISO 9001-2000, ISO 27001. Karachi, March 2008 to August 2012. Certificate, Joomla CMS, Experts Computer Education. Karachi, April 2012 to June 2012. Certifications, Macromedia Freehand and Adobe Flash and Photoshop, 1 month each, Visual Art and Graphics Engineering, PAC College of Computer and Business Education. Karachi, July 2011 to March 2012. Diploma, Computer Repairs and Networks Technician, CRNT, Academy of Business Computers Karimabad. Karachi, January 2013 to October 2013. Degree, Bachelor's in Computer Sciences, BScs, Dadaboy Institute of Higher Education. Karachi, June 2013 to August 2015. Online Certificate, S.E.O. Certificate Preparation Search Engine Optimization, Training S.E.O. Institute. Karachi, February 2016 to May 2016. Online Certificate, Advanced S.E.O. Online, Promos S.E.O. Training School. Kolkata, June 2019 to September 2019. Online Certification, S.E.O. Manager Search Engine Optimization, Blue Array S.E.O. England, June 2020 to June 2020. Online Certifications, Become an S.E.O. Expert, LinkedIn Learning. Sunnyvale, California, July 2020 to July 2020. Online Certification, Local S.E.O., SEM Rush Academy, July 2020 to July 2021. Skills, Web Designing and Development, 9 years, Domain and Hosting, 9 years, WordPress, 7 years, Adobe Photoshop, 1 year, Computer Repairs and Networks Technician, 1 year, S.E.O., 6 years, Advanced S.E.O., 3 years, S.E.O. Manager, 2 years. Skills, Node, JS, less than 1 year, React, JS, less than 1 year, Git Bash, less than 1 year, Jamstack, less than 1 year, S.E.O. Audit, Speed Optimization, UI, UX, Technical S.E.O., 1 year, Unique Non-Plagiarism Content Production. Skills, Advanced Keyword Research, 1 year, Search Intent Keyword Density Competitiveness, 1 year, Keyword Mind Mapping, 1 year, Primary, Secondary Keywords and Content Optimization, On-Page S.E.O., 1 year, Site Content Silo Structure, Content Idea, Pillars, Topic Clusters, Subclusters, etc. Links, www.facebook.com, MSU Mayor Kaleem, about _work _ education, www.linkedin.com, in per meter Sumer KALEEM 76803433, www.digitalaffiliatepartner.com, www.coffeeeternal.com, www.digitalaffiliatepartner.com.